everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Lisa Brigaton if you're new here. So today I'm just coming with a decorate with me videos, and if you're new, I actually do cleaning videos, I do decorations and budgeting, I also do motherhood videos. But today we are just going to be decorating the house. I'm going to be transforming my lounge with you guys. It's just little things that I'm just changing around. Like, my lounge has become so boring. I didn't like the color that I had, the mustard. I loved it at first, but now I'm just like, I'm bored of it. I don't like it anymore. So I'm just gonna be changing that and just wrapping things around. And as you know, guys, if you've seen my previous videos, I was talking about this bookshelf that I wanted to put in my lounge because I felt like my lounge was like becoming so boring. So I wanted to like rev things up, like little changes that's gonna make it nice. So I'm also gonna be doing DIYs using cheap things that I bought from Poundland, but just transforming them to look a little bit expensive and give them a little bit of touch of myself. So you're gonna enjoy this video. I feel like you're gonna like it, and if you are somebody who loves to decorate on budget, this is definitely your video because you're gonna like it and you're gonna enjoy it. And if you're new here, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm still a small YouTuber and I'm trying to grow, and I really need the support, guys, and I really need the support to actually keep going and giving you like the DIYs. So stay here. I really think you're gonna enjoy this video. Let's do this together, guys. Yeah, let's go. So before we started, guys, I wanted to show you how my living room is looking at the moment. I've got this yellow mustard color as my cushions and as my theme. Like, as you can see, guys, is the color that's dominating my lounge the most. But right now I'm just at a point where I don't want it. I'm just fed up with it. I've had it for a while and I just want to change things up. So I feel like when you want to transform a room, especially when it comes to a lounge, if you change the cushions, it's going to make a difference. Even if you don't change anything else, just changing the cushions, it's gonna make a difference. Even some people actually change their cushions in every season, and I think that's great. So I'm just gonna start by changing the cushions, getting rid of that mustard. I don't think I'm gonna ever put this again because it's been in my head, and we're on lockdown. I've been in the house watching these colors all the time and they were driving me crazy. But then I didn't know what color I wanted to do, so I didn't want to hurry and change my lounge and then feel like, you know what, I don't want this. I wanted enough inspiration to see what I want. So as for these cushions, guys, I have got the cushions. I actually sell them. If you go on my Etsy shop, I do have some of the cushions that I have here, and I'm gonna be uploading some new styles as well. So yeah, guys, let's just let's decorate together. Let's change the cushions together, as you can see, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and do a DIY using the Poundland items. I got that gin glass from Poundland for £1, and I got the candle holder from Poundland as well for £1. So I'm just gonna use the super glue to stick it on together. I knocked the bottom of the gin glass using a hammer to make that sharp point, to leave that sharp point so that it will be able to get into the, you know, to the candle holder. And I'm just gonna put in my candle in there, and I'm just gonna light it, and I feel like it is so nice. And the fact that it's me who has done it, it makes me so happy. I really do love it, guys, and it actually looks bigger in person and nicer in person than you can see it on the video. So you guys go and check it out. So as you can see, guys, my bookshelf is made of most of the items I bought them from Poundland, and some of the items I've done them myself. So you don't have to actually go and spend a lot of money when it comes to decorations and stuff like that. But I feel like it's so nice, and I really love like the different textures that are on there. The cushion and the basket that is on the bottom is serving a purpose, and I really think, you know, I really love it. It makes me happy. So I'm just gonna move on to the TV cabinet side. I'm just bored with seeing the same situation all the time, so I'm gonna change it around. As you can see, guys, my daughter broke that vase, Gianna, so I had to like compromise, like use the beads and the super glue to just make it, you know, look a bit more decent, because I didn't want to throw it away. I've had it for a long time, and I really do love it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put those flowers. I bought them as well, but I'm realizing they're too long. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We're going to work with them. As you can see, they are, you can bend them. Most of these flowers, like the long ones, you can bend them at the bottom. So I'm just gonna bend them to fit them in the glass, and you know, so guys, you see that side table? I bought it from Facebook Market, second hand. I bought it for £12, and I'm so happy with it, to be quite honest. I tried to look for one exactly like this, and I found it in Wayfair, and it was going for £56, and the other one was £63, and it was up to like 103. Like the one that is like exact like this, even shorter than this, some of them, and you know, that's ridiculous. So I ended up going on Facebook Market, and then I just looked for, you know, a side table, and then I found this for £12, and I'm so happy with it, to be quite honest. So I'm just gonna move on to the other side of the lounge. There used to be like a side table on that side, but I'm gonna take it out because I've got something to put there. You know, that plant that I took from that corner, I have to put it there because I don't want to get rid of my plants, because I love my plants. So I feel like that looks actually better with a plant besides the you know, the table. So I really do love it. I don't know, what do you think, guys? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just, you know, try to work out how I'm gonna do with this chair, because sometimes I feel like, what do I put on this chair, like a cushion, or it's just hard to actually decide what to do. So yeah. So guys, I've used the rope from Poundland. I bought it for £1. I can't remember how many meters it is, but I just wanted something simple, something that has got my touch. I love simple things, but at the same time, it makes me so happy to know that something is being made by me. Look at that candle holder, guys. It's now looking all perfect. It's all dry, and you're not gonna do anything to it. So this is me actually done, and I'm so happy with the overall look, guys. It makes me happy. It's not bling bling. It's not what others would love, but for me and my family, it is so happy. It is our happy place, and we love it. It is so cozy, and I just love to be in a cozy home. I actually thought my lounge was cozy before, but I feel like right now it feels more cozier because of the little touches that I've put. Like, you see how amazing it is, like little things that you can put and that can transform the whole look. It's honestly making me happy, and it's honestly making my family happy, and that is what is important. And on the bookshelf, guys, if you have noticed, I have put different textures. I put the basket on the bottom, and it's serving a purpose. I'm just going to be putting laptop, I can put books, I can put socks, things that we use every day to access. It's easy for access. And then the second one, I put a cushion. The reason why I put a cushion, one, it's matching with some of the cushions that are already in the lounge, and the second reason is I don't want to put ornaments there because my daughter is at an age where, like, she takes things from the she'll be breaking things and stuff, so I don't want to put anything there that she can reach. And then that's the whole reason, that's the whole idea behind it. But then everything that you see on that bookshelf, most of them I bought them from Poundland. Everything is like cheap stuff, but you just make them look a little bit beautiful. And I just love that vase that is on the side of the TV cabinet. I feel like it looks different, and I feel like it's so nice. It is so pretty as well. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what do you think of this overall looking. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. And you guys, see you again in the next video. Bye.